Hey everybody, it's time for finally a new video for Camino for everyone because we're getting ready to go to Portugal tomorrow morning. So I'm going to show you what I've packed for my bag and hopefully it'll help you out for your Camino. Let's look and see what's inside. Yeah, it looks a tiny bit messy here. Getting ready to get packed up. Let's do things here one at a time. We've got my fleece jacket. This is a long fleece jacket. You'll see me in this in later videos. This comes with me on every single Camino. People may think it's a little bit heavy, but you know what? I really like it. It's perfect for cold mornings or evenings, and it always looks really nice. I've got a scarf that I can wear all the time. I've got a camisole. This is going to be warm. These are long johns. They can either be worn underneath my pants if it should happen to get cold, though it shouldn't be on Portugal, but I can wear these also at nighttime. I've got my nightgown over here, some snacks. I've got a little muslin towel, my buff, my gloves, and my hat. Let's see. Oh, this is my toiletry kit. Inside my toiletry kit, I've got some tea bags. I have some Band-Aids, some extra meds. This is my bag that I will show through security. It's got my shampoo, toothpaste, and some Body Glide. And I also have an inhaler. Hopefully my lungs will play along with me this time. So this little toiletry bag is great because it's waterproof. I can take it in the shower with me. Oops, brush. This is my hip pack. It's waterproof. I'm going to keep my guidebook in here, my glasses, my phone, my cables, some extra meds for the day, my plan. Yes, I'm really organized. I have everything all ready to go. I like to print out my airplane ticket. These are my pants. I will wear these every day. These are polyester pants. They wash really easily. I really like them. They're comfortable. They have an elastic waist. I have a money belt. That will have my bank card in it and my big money. I got my pilgrim passport and my regular passport in this nice plastic cover. My guidebook. It's in German, but that's okay. I got some extra mints, my hanky, my gum for the flight. These are my blouses that I'm going to be wearing. These are really light. They weigh about 140 grams, 120 grams. I've got some nice shoes to wear this year. So they're super light. My backpack, it's a Deuter 35 liter. So my backpack is a 35 liter Deuter backpack. It's a little bit heavy, but you know what? I'm not going to go buy a new backpack. I don't know how many more Caminos I'm going to walk, but I'm just not going to buy any more backpacks. That's it. I know that they have really light ones out nowadays, but so what? This is fine. These shoes are really nice and light. I've got 3 pair of socks, 1 pair I'll wear. I have my nylon knee highs. We're going to wear those. I have 3 pair of underwear that wash and dry really quickly. I'm going to wear 1 pair. Let's see, my sleeping bag, my water bottle, my Altus poncho, my hat, and my gloves and my buff. This is an extra bag I'm going to take along just in case I do want to transport my things. This is a really super light freezer bag that only weighs like 140 grams. I had one last year and it worked perfect for transporting a couple extra kilos with me in case I didn't want to carry everything with me. I do have my backpack down to, I think, 5.5 kilos. We're going to pack it up and we'll see what it weighs. And we'll get back with you in just a few minutes. I know it looks like a lot, but we're going to get it all in there. So you can see from my earlier video, everything looks a whole lot neater now. They're all in their little mesh bags. They're all rolled up. You know, just about ready to go. This is my pile of stuff that I'm going to be wearing tomorrow. And that's about it. Let's put it in the bag. See how much it weighs. Now I do have my poles in here, but I don't have my jacket. So it came up to 5.7. Say the poles and the jacket will kind of like trade off the same amount of weight, because earlier when I weighed it, I had everything in it, was 5.5 this morning. So I'm happy with that. Obviously, as we use shampoo, And as we eat up our snack, it'll get down lower. And of course, we'll put water in. That all adds up, but I'm real happy with the weight. So we will see you in Porto. Bye.